Electric pressure washers deliver powerful cleaning for tough outdoor jobs like removing grime from driveways, patios, decks, and vehicles. These machines offer convenience with easy startup, quieter operation, and reduced maintenance compared to gas-powered options. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric pressure washers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Achieve professional-grade cleaning power with the HIMOTOR electric pressure washer, delivering an impressive 4,500 pounds per square inch of water pressure and a flow rate of 3.0 gallons per minute. This powerful machine tackles stubborn grime on cars, driveways, floors, walls, and windows, making it a versatile solution for both residential and commercial use. Adjust the water pressure effortlessly using the convenient dial, customizing the intensity up to a maximum of 4,500 pounds per square inch. The flexible pressure control allows for precise cleaning, whether you're blasting tough stains or rinsing delicate surfaces. Equipped with a smart total stop system, the pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and extending the pump's lifespan. The 35-foot power cord with a GFC eye-plug ensures safe operation, even in wet conditions. The pressure washer includes 5 quick connect nozzles and a 500 milliliter foam cannon for efficient detergent application. Blast away dirt and grime with the power-packed Sunjo electric pressure power washer, delivering 2,030 pounds per square inch of working pressure and a 1.2 gallons per minute water flow. This washer is built to tackle stubborn messes on homes, buildings, RVs, cars, and more. It's a reliable choice for homeowners looking to restore surfaces to their original shine. Equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips, the Sunjo lets you adjust from a precise pinpoint jet to a broad, powerful fan spray. The integrated soap applicator adds versatility, helping you handle tougher cleaning tasks effortlessly. Constructed for durability, this power washer features a 34-inch stainless steel lance with solid brass fittings and a heavy-duty 20-foot high-pressure hose. These components ensure longevity and consistent performance, even during extended use. Dual onboard 0.9-liter detergent tanks provide flexibility, allowing you to store and switch between 2 different cleaning solutions for various tasks. Sunjo is committed to creating innovative, user-friendly tools that make tackling chores simpler and more efficient. Tackle tough cleaning tasks effortlessly with the Greener electric pressure washer, engineered to deliver maximum cleaning power. With a robust copper core motor, this powerhouse generates up to 4,200 psi of water pressure and a 2.4 GPM flow rate, making quick work of stubborn dirt, grime, and debris. Whether you're washing your car, cleaning your driveway, or refreshing your home's exterior, this pressure washer provides reliable, high-performance cleaning. The 50-foot hose offers extensive reach, minimizing the need to reposition the washer constantly. This extended range simplifies large-scale cleaning tasks, saving time and effort. For safety, the built-in total stop system automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged, extending the pump's lifespan. The water hose handle includes a safety lock to prevent accidental activation. Versatility is ensured with 4 quick connect nozzles, allowing for adjustable water pressure based on your cleaning needs. A foam cannon attachment creates thick, rich suds, perfect for thorough car washing. Take on tough cleaning tasks with the Greenworks Pro Brushless Pressure Washer, a high-performance electric washer engineered to handle demanding jobs. Its 14-amp true brushless motor generates 3,000 psi and 2.0 GPM, delivering a powerful 3,300 cleaning units for deep, effective cleaning. Designed to accommodate a maximum inlet water temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit and a 60 Hz frequency, this pressure washer is built for reliable performance. Certified by the Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association, its PSI and GPM ratings have been tested and verified by an independent lab, guaranteeing the power you expect. JetFlow technology enhances efficiency by delivering up to 50% more flow, enabling faster rinsing and reaching higher areas with ease. The durable metal spray gun and a 25-foot Uberflex kink-resistant hose provide extended reach without tangling. The Westinghouse EPX3100V pressure washer offers impressive power and efficiency for tackling tough cleaning jobs around your home. With a peak of 2,100 psi at initial discharge and a water flow rate of up to 1.76 gallons per minute without a nozzle. This compact yet mighty machine is ready to handle driveways, decks, garage floors, fences, patio furniture, and vehicles with ease. The professional-grade extendable 17.5-inch steel wand includes 3 quick-connect nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and turbo, allowing you to adjust pressure to match the task. Weighing just 18 pounds, the EPX3100V is easy to carry and store. Its built-in handle and super compact design make transportation convenient, while the 20-foot nylon-braided hose provides extended reach without sacrificing durability. The detachable foam cannon allows you to add detergent or chemicals for more intensive cleaning, giving you the power to tackle the toughest grime. Designed for efficiency, the pump automatically stops when the trigger is released, conserving energy and extending the life of the pump and motor. This smart feature ensures the EPX3100V lasts, delivering reliable performance over time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.